A very good morning to all of you. I hope all of you are doing well. Yesterday we started the topic arithmetic progression after the completion of chapter number 7. And yesterday we discussed about what is the meaning of AP, what is the meaning of sequence, what is the general term of an AP, what is the first term and what is the common difference. I hope all of you remember that any sequence having a common difference between the consecutive terms is called an AP. That difference need to be same in every consecutive term in order to exist as an AP. We also understood about the general term formula, which is AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. I hope you all have completed 5.1. Today we are going to start some problems based on the general term formula, which will help you to understand the steps to solve a problem based on the general term related to arithmetic progression. So we'll see some questions. Please see it very carefully. Question is, find the 20th term from end of the AP. This is the AP given 3, 8, 13, 253. We have to find the 20th term from the last. So what we need to see, we are not going to see the AP from the beginning. We have to see the AP from the last. So for that, what I have done, AP from the last term, I have just shifted the AP from the last. So this is 253, 13, 8, 3. Now if we see the first AP, the difference is 5 because it increases to 253. But in this, it decreases from 253 to 3. So the difference is negative. Now just remember one thing, when you change the order of the AP, the difference sign will be changed. If it is first initially, then it will become negative. If it is negative initially, then it will become positive. So now the AP is this. This is the first term. The difference is minus 5. We have to find the 20th term. So N is 20. Now the value for this 20th term should be calculated by using this formula. N means the number of terms and AN means the value for that term. For example, N is the roll number 14, and the marks for him is calculated by the formula AN. So now A20 is A plus 19D, as I told you earlier also. Any term you need to find out, you just make one less in terms of D. That is A72 is A plus 71D. So this is A plus 19D. Applying the value of A as 253, D as minus 5. Calculating, we get the answer A20 is 158. Now if you calculate the 20th term, if you write all the terms of this AP, and if you see the 20th term from the last, the value that you will get is 158. Now you understand where and why we are using this concept, this formula, because we have to find out the term, the general term, the 20th term of this AP. Now we will see some more question which will help you to make your concept more strong. Now we have one more question. The 17th term of an AP exceeds its 10th term by 7. So we have an AP in which the difference of 17th term and the 10th term is 7. Because 17th term is exceeding the 10th term by 7, we have to find out the common difference. So whenever you see this word exceed, you have to make sure that you have to do the difference of both the terms. So A17 minus A10 equal to 7. A17 is A plus 16D. A10 is A plus 9D equal to 7. A plus 16D, using with this negative, we have to change the sign, minus A minus 9D equal to 7. 7D equal to 7, D equal to 1. Now in this way you can calculate the common difference. Now if this question comes for 1 marks MCQ, without solving how we can know the answer, please see very carefully. We have to see the terms 17 and 10. What is the difference of these terms? 7. 17 minus 10 give us 7. Now we read the table for 7. At what place this 7 come? 1. So the difference is 1. Suppose this is 21. So the difference will be 3. It is as simple as that. So this concept will be used by you in case of MCQ. We'll see some more problems based on the general term. Now this question is saying that which term of the AP 3, 15, 27 will be 132 more than its 54th term. A very important question regarding boards. In a particular AP, there is a particular term which is 132 more than the 54th term. That is, the difference of both the terms should be equal to 132. Now let the term be nth term. We don't know the term, so we have just assume it as nth term. Now an, the value for this term is an. It is a54 plus 132. Since it is greater than 54th term by 132, so this is an is equal to a54 plus 132. Now this can be written as a plus n minus 1 into d. This is a plus 53d plus 132. A and a are cancelling each other. The value of d in this AP is 12. Just applying this, n minus 1 into 12 is equal to 53 into 12 plus 132. Calculating, we get n minus 1 into 12 is equal to 768. N minus 1 is equal to 768 divided by 12. So the value we get as n is equal to 65. So in this way we can calculate the nth term for a particular AP, giving some conditions in the question. Please see this question carefully. In this question we have to do how many multiples of 4 lie between 10 and 250. So we need to calculate how many numbers are there between 10 and 252 which are multiple of 4. So we can write the AP as 12, the first multiple between this, then 16, 20, 24, and at last we have written 248. How we will get this value? Divide 250 by 4, whatever the remainder you got, just subtract from 250. Then you will get 248. Now in this AP, this is the first term, the difference is 4. This is the last term, so take it as an. Calculate the value for an, a plus n minus 1 into d equal to this. The value of a is 12, the value of d is 4. Simplifying it, you will get the value of n as 60. So in short, between 10 and 250 there are 60 multiples of 4 lying there. Please see this very carefully. In this problem, we have to find out the empty boxes. They all are in AP. This is the second term and this is the sixth term. A1, A2, A3, A4, A5 and A6. We will have to solve this by the method of equation. A2 is 38. So A2 can be written as A plus D is equal to 38. A6 is minus 22. So this is A plus 5D equal to minus 22. Solving these two equations by elimination, we get D equal to minus 15. Just putting this value in the first equation, we got A equal to 53. Now you got the value of A and D. So the first term is 53. Subtracting 15 got 38. Subtracting 15 got 23. Subtracting 15 got 8. Subtracting 15 got minus 7. And then minus 22. So I hope all of you understand the method, the way, the steps to solve a problem based on the general term, based on the nth term. Try solving the problems related to 5.2. If you are finding any doubt, any difficulty in any of the problem, we can do that doubt session in our next class or in our Zoom class also. Till then, you try solving the problems and complete all your pending work. Thank you.